The documentary is on the story of seeds, a showcase of China-Pakistan relations, from traditional tea transplantation in the 1980s to the hybrid varieties of rice and wheat, then the genetically modified cotton till the current space experiment of medicinal seeds, all highlight the achievements of China-Pakistan science and technology innovation cooperation. The technological progress keep pace with the times, the trust and support remains eternal.
Ambassador No, Lee's bamboo is so tall and seems very special.
Yes, you are right. This bamboo is very special. It was planted at the former site of the Chinese embassy in Karachi by then Chinese Ambassador Geng Biao to commemorate Premier Zhou Enlai's successful visit to Pakistan in 1956. It was transplanted to the current site of the embassy in Islamabad in 2021. We are happy to see that the seeds of China-Pakistan friendship planted by the older generation have been deeply rooted and flourishing.
Pakistan is one of the largest consumers of tea in the world. China, being the largest producer of tea, helped out Pakistan in cultivation of tea. Chinese scientists conducted a feasibility study in early 80s and identified about 64,000 hectares of land suitable for tea production in northern areas. The National Tea Research Station was established in 1986 at Xinqiari.
Only the China country, those who provided us the tea seed, and we established this our institute through tea seed, which is provided by the Chinese government.
Chinese experts transplanted suitable variety, the senecis in Xinqiari and Mansehra. In the last few decades, the tea plantation has been expanded to other areas of Pakistan. China has been supporting Pakistan to overcome the food demands of its day-to-day increasing population. The University of Agriculture Peshawar and the Beijing Engineering Research Center for Hybrid Wheat carried out a joint research project, development of water-efficient hybrid wheat for Pakistan and China.
My collaboration is with the Beijing Engineering Research Center for Hybrid Wheat. They have very qualified team which is working on hybrid wheat, and they are the first in the world who are producing hybrid wheat on commercial scale. They are growing this hybrid wheat on thousands of hectares in different provinces of China.
Rice, the other most important crop used by Pakistanis as food. Pakistan is famous of its basmati rice, which is liked due to its taste, aroma and size. In 1989, the hybrid rice was introduced in Pakistan.
Rice are basically hybrid technology, and because of hybrid rice, it gives higher yields per acre. We started the research, commercialization, production, and made an agreement with the Hunan Rice Research Institute in 1999.
The production of Hungarian hybrid rice in Pakistan can reach around 7,500 kilograms per hectare, nearly 3 times of others.
Local variety have resistance very poor, the heat tolerance very poor, but our variety is very strong. Also the stem very strong. They have good potential to yield.
In Pakistan, the hybrid varieties are cultivated on hundreds of hectares of land, and Chinese experts are working for increase in yield, including various methods for cross-pollination among male and female hybrid lines. Pakistan ranks 5th in cotton production among the 60 major cotton-producing countries. However, Cotton leaf curl disease is the main culprit in reducing the yield of cotton in Pakistan. To address the issue, the China-Pakistan Cotton Biotechnology Joint Laboratory has been established at MNS Agriculture University, Multan.
China is one of the kind of partners which we are working on many aspects, in fact. So from languages to the planning, policy and collaborative research, modeling.
The MNS University undertook a project, Development and Identification of Cotton Materials for CLC-UD resistant cotton breeding at Institute of Plant Breeding and Biotechnology.
Currently, we are working two projects with the Chinese collaboration. One is funded by Pakistan Science Foundation, which is on genetic adaptability of cotton and wheat. And the second project is with the Tsinghua seed industry to work on cotton leaf curl virus.
The ongoing research for improvement in cotton yield is very helpful for cotton growers of Pakistan. The China-Pakistan cooperation saw the heights of mutual collaboration when seeds of medicinal plants were sent to space by the Chinese Shenzhou 14 manned spacecraft, which was launched on 5th June 2022. A research project, Collaboration on R&D of Pakistan Medicinal Plants, based on China Space Station, was prepared by International Center for Chemical and Biological Sciences, University of Karachi, and supported by the Chinese Embassy and the Pakistan Ministry of Science and Technology.
You see, I've been working with close collaboration of Chinese scientists since last 30 years. We have worked closely with traditional Chinese medicine, traditional Pakistani medicines, because there's so much similarities.
We select these important seeds of the medicinal plant to send to the space. After that, so we compare the difference between the seeds which stay in the space for several months and the seeds which we keep normally on the land. We try to compare the medicinal plant which exists in China and Pakistan.
The seeds have been brought back to the ground safely on 4th December 2022 after spending 6 months in the Chinese space station. Now they will undergo further research and careful screening for further breeding to create viable versions of popular crops. China-Pakistan have all-weather strategic cooperation relations. The relationship between the two countries is higher than the mountains and deeper than the sea, and based on the Eastern values like honesty and sincerity. Many landmarks achievements engrave the coordinates of science and technology cooperation between China and Pakistan from different dimensions. China is ready to share its S&T achievements with Pakistan like real brothers of each other.
Jinba Dosti, Zindabad.